What's up, superstars? Back with another video. You got Superstar Rob and you got Superstar Nation. How you guys doing? Oh man, always beating me up every single day, but because every single day we got another video coming at you guys. Become a superstar, smash the subscribe button, join the Superstar fam, and hit the bell notification button to get every single video every single day. We do not miss because we just simply do not know how to not make a video every single day. Thank you to all our Superstar VIPs, $2.99 a month. Get the star beside your name, access to our spreadsheets, giveaways, merch. I don't know if you guys look very closely. The hat looks maybe a little bit different to you. I just got it in today, so we might be rolling out an announcement on that soon. Thank you to all our VIPs. You can always reach out to us on Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok. I was very happy today that on Instagram, I had someone reach out to us just to ask some questions about one of the videos that they saw. I love it when I get that. I think it's something that we want. We want you to reach out if you have any questions about any videos that we make. We're happy to have a conversation with you. You can always join our Discord in the description below and join the rest of Superstar Nation, where you can always get, if you have any questions about any projects that we track, join that Discord and you will have answers. Thank you so much to our VIPs. You guys are incredible. Thank you so much. You guys are keeping us going every single day. We're always humbled by your support. We really appreciate you, and thank you so much for everything that you do for us. Okay, we're going to talk about Cryptoys today. So we're starting with the Cryptoys Twitter. It's time. This is from Nick Massimo. He says, it is time to open the box, but the fun is still ahead at Cryptoys. So he has the holocron unopened right now. We know it's not easy to keep these things unopened because it's always the what if, right? What if you open it? What are you going to get? So it's hard for me to keep those holocrons closed or not open, but I guess he has the willpower. So if he does open it, he says the fun is still ahead, and that's the truth. I mean, you can wait until maybe there's more functionality on the website. Maybe you're going to wait for some kind of utility that comes with any of the Cryptoys. So it's maybe a little bit easier right now to keep the holocrons unboxed. But I think that as time goes on and functionality comes per the white pages, it is very likely that people will have a much harder time not opening those holocrons. We are ambassadors for Cryptoys, and we're happy now to also have Ambassador Beijing Dao. So a creative strategist, thought leader, and a Cryptoys OG. Josh inspires us all. So join us in celebrating the exciting collaboration. Congratulations to Josh for being a Cryptoys ambassador, and we're looking forward to working with all the ambassadors. And on top of that, we have one more friend of ours, Superstar Kyle Wilson. He said we've met him. He's really cool. He says, we're thrilled to announce Kyle Wilson as an official Cryptoys ambassador. As a passionate collector and content creator, Kyle inspires us all. Please join us in celebrating this exciting collaboration. So I think Kyle's a really great addition to the ambassador program. He's going to continue to, he loves the Web3 space. He loves the cryptocurrency space. He loves the NFT space. So he has a very familiar audience. And I think that he'll be doing some really good things for the project. So I'm very happy that Kyle Wilson is joined with us. Now I'm going to get back to this. Okay. We're going to come back to that. We just have some more images here of the holograms being opened up. So Cryptoys was saying that the moment that the hologram begins to open, you can feel the suspense of the lightsaber. So it's the unboxing experience that Cryptoys is all about, right? That's what people love about them. It's such a unique experience that when you actually are opening up these holocrons, you're getting an experience and a feel for the actual IP and for the content. They do a lot of detail, and they do a lot. There's clearly a focus on quality when it comes to the actual unboxing experience. I feel like that's something that not all NFT projects do. Usually it just drops in your wallet. It's pretty cool. You get to see whatever you get in your wallet. Nice big surprise. But the actual unboxing experience is a part that that's missing in a lot of projects. And I think it creates a lot of fun. It creates a lot of excitement for the community, and it makes it feel grander when you have that unboxing experience. It's just fun, right? And I think kids love it too when they see this kind of stuff. It's really cool. Especially the sound is beautiful. If you unbox one of these and you listen to the sound, very familiar music from the IP that we all love. It makes you just remember all the good times you've had with that IP in your past, and you're also having fun with it now into the future as well. So that was the Cryptoys. So The Juju was on fire today. Okay, so first of all, yesterday we just finished filming our video, which was that the CEO of Cryptoys tweet sparked frenzy over big week ahead. He said there was going to be a big week ahead. He didn't say what it was. So we started speculating on that. Now, right when we finished the video, Superstar Rewind 2001 tweets at us, and all he says is, guys, make room for one more. I'm ready to join the club. If you believe, the Juju will come. I had to do a max purchase tonight. The Juju was calling me. Let's go, Cryptoys family. P.S. There's an unedited version, which, by the way, he DM'd us the unedited version. He was going nuts screaming Juju. So he believed and he got. So we're very, very happy to Rewind 2001. Congratulations to you. We love it when superstars win. Hit the subscribe button and maybe you get some extra Juju. I don't know. I'm not making any promises. I'm just saying somehow, some way, you hit the subscribe button, good things happen, right? Rewind shows you that. Bones, Superstar Bones says, because he's in the Ultra Grill Club himself, he's like, yep, I could tell you believe in the Juju. This is not a joke. Congrats. I don't know what it is. We're not making any promises here about the Juju. I'm just saying something going on here with the Juju. Everybody loves good Juju. I hope you watching today will get good Juju as well. Then, Superstar Jimbo Lee Lingo, a good friend of ours, met him in November. Really, really great guy, giving everybody gifts. Very amazing artist. He said, I finally think the Juju accumulated and I got an Ultra Grail Vader, which is a great Ultra Grail. And what a mint number 9 out of 100. Jimbo Lee Lingo, he supports everybody. He deserves this. I couldn't be happier that it was him that got this. So congratulations to Jimbo Lee Lingo. We're very, very happy for you. And it doesn't stop. Beerman 2003 said he's in the club as well. And he added us. So the Juju was good with them, which is fantastic to see. If you're interested as well in buying any Cryptoys, we are ambassadors, right? So we have a link, an affiliate link that you can use if you're watching this video and you are interested in purchasing Cryptoys. You can go into the description below. We have our link there. Click that link, and you through our affiliate link, you'd be able to buy some Cryptoys. If you want to join into that, if you want to support the channel, please do so. If you are going to be buying them, anyways. So Superstar Buck Jester, this was funny. So Fawn said that there was, because in yesterday's video, you got to understand when I'm looking at the screen on my end, it's not as big maybe as you're seeing it right now. Okay, so I saw a picture of Fonz's like house with his dog. And I literally looked in the background and I saw what I thought was like Ultra Grail looking like object. So I'm like, is that Alpha in the background? Partially joking, but not really. And Joe's like, nah, man, it's just light. It's just light. So Fawn said there's literally 0 Alpha. This is from the Discord. So if you're not on the Discord, you might want to join in. But don't forget to join our Discord as well in the description below. Literally 0 Alpha in that picture of my boy Ian Lowell, other than him being the inspiration for Alfie. But because it warms my heart to see Ian make it into a Superstar Money Joe and Superstar Money Rob video, I will drop some Alpha this morning. So if you don't know, Fonz is a co-founder. And then he posts Happy Tuesday with an add to cart button. So what does this add to cart button mean? And I mean, it can mean a lot of things. Like maybe it could just be they're adding an add to cart button to the website, but I'm getting Barbie vibes. I don't know. That might just be me, but I'm getting Barbie vibes. Like it's pink. It kind of looks like the text, the font style of like Barbie. Yeah, I might be stretching it a little bit, but I got those vibes. It could be that they're just going to add an add to cart button to the website, but I think it means more than that, because if that's Alpha, I mean, an add to cart button, don't get me wrong, like it's cool, I guess, but it's not really true Alpha. But that pink, it's just something about it is giving me the Barbie vibes. But that was initially what I thought. But then later on, we have another post, which I'm going to get to now. So let's get out of here. So we're going to keep going through our Twitter. He says, Bones, he says, support the origin. I love that Superstar Bones is actually trying to like promote us. He says, support the origin of the Juju and use the ambassador link if you maybe would like to Cryptoys it up. And he posts our link. So thank you for that, Superstar Bones. We have the best superstars anywhere. I don't care. We have the best superstars anywhere. If you're a superstar, you are the best and you know it, okay? Keep calm. Speaking of superstars, we have the Superstar VIP Legend Hall of Famer, keep calm, stack on. He says, hey, psst, hey, you. Yeah, you looking for some serious juju vibes? Join the incredible world of superstar money and unlock perks like free Starbucks, coffees, tacos, and so much more. He's a real OG superstar. Joe and I always used to start the video like, become a superstar. If you get the superstar, you won't believe it. All these good things are going to happen. You can get free Starbucks. You can get free tacos. We used to make jokes like that all the time, so he remembers that. And he said, trust me, life's better with juju and superstar money. Don't miss out. Join the fun today. Thank you, superstar, legend, VIP, Hall of Famer. Keep calm, stack on. I have your photo here somewhere, but you are the OG merch. You are the OG merch. So I'm glad to see you got number 242 today. And then he follows up and he says, my DC official and Palm NFT drop results are in. And guess what? I snagged not one, but 2 amazing covers, including a legendary. Huge shout out to the incredible Juju Superstar Money for sprinkling some luck my way. Good things happen. So he posts a tweet talking about promoting Superstar Money, getting the Juju. Life is better with that. And then next thing you know, five hours later, he hits a legendary. Come on, like this is amazing. If you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. You gotta subscribe. Okay, this is today's video topic. So let's just set ourselves up here, okay? Because I know some of you don't like to see the daily news, so we're gonna just start over. If you sped up to this point in the video, Will, he's the CEO of Cryptoys. I'm not gonna lie, he is definitely an alpha dropper. Okay. He is very, very happy to drop alpha. Now, he's a bit of a troll too, though. He dropped yesterday that whole thing with Mickey Mouse, right? Mickey Mouse packing his bags. And he could have picked any meme he wanted, and he ended up picking one with Mickey Mouse. And we know that Disney is likely, well, we know they currently are a partner right now with Cryptoys. Like, that's confirmed. But are we going to see more of the characters as well being introduced into Cryptoys? And this is something that we're waiting for. It makes sense that we're going to see more Disney characters, considering we know they already have a license with them. But I'm not really sure when we're going to see that. I made a comment to Steph previously that, are we going to see more IP, when they said big things coming this week? And she said it's too soon for that. And it ended up being too soon for that. They released the ambassador program, and they released other things. But maybe now it's not too soon for that. Maybe now new IP is actually something that is completely valid, and we may see very soon. They have the momentum right now. Cryptoys is releasing new things almost on a weekly basis. So it wouldn't surprise me if we potentially get new IP. But this is the thing with Will, okay? He's not scared to drop the alpha. So he says, first stop of the trip. First stop of the trip. I don't know where else he's going. Where else is he going if this is the first stop of the trip? I think he's going to end up at Disneyland. I think he said that. But he's at the Mattel headquarters, it appears. You got the Hot Wheels truck on the left. And the thing with Mattel is that we know from our interview with Will that they are part investors, and they have a real piece of the pie with Cryptoys. And they're invested deeply with Cryptoys. We don't know exactly how much, but they're essentially part owners of Cryptoys. This is my understanding from our interview with the CEO, Will. And if you look at Mattel, right? I'm on Mattel Canada here, right? You look at some of their best sellers: Barbie, Disney Frozen, Disney Princess, Hot Wheels, Jurassic World, Mattel Games, Mega Blocks, Minecraft, Star Wars. You kind of just scroll through this website, right? You could just see all the different toys here, the Hot Wheels. There's the Barbie right there. And I'm going to pull back up the whole buy now thing. So we got the Barbie. There we go. Grogu, the child Grogu. Keep going. You got Blockus. You got Jurassic World. Barbie fashions, all very cool. You got to love the Grogu, eh? You gotta love the Grogu. You look at that. Look at that. It's a perfect match. You keep going down here. Some more Jurassic World. Oh, look at this. I mean, I don't want Jake Clement. I told Jake Clement we got to do a video on this, but I'm just saying, don't get mad at me, Jake Clement. I'm just scrolling through the website, and this popped up, okay? This popped up. You guys do what you will. That popped up. I don't know what else. Oh, there's another one, okay, on the right? So you got some pretty incredible IP, okay? Including Pokemon on the Mattel website. Just going to put that out there. So you see these things, you see them at the Mattel headquarters, it makes you really wonder, like, what are these guys up to right now? What are we getting? And then that's why I kind of combined it. I said, okay, well, according to the Discord, supposedly this add to cart is alpha and it's pink. So maybe Mattel plus add to cart, you put it together, maybe get Barbie. I don't know. I'm just speculating. I don't know. I'd be curious to know what you guys think. Like, let me know below. Do you think that the clue of Mattel and the clue of the add to cart means Barbie, or does it mean something else? What are your thoughts on the whole Mattel partnership? Because we know what Cryptoys wants to do here. Cryptoys, from our interview with Will, he said to us that that Mattel is very open to their IP being used, and that he's provided lists to Mattel of what IP he wants to use, and there was very little restriction. So I just can't see how all of those bestsellers wouldn't be available to Cryptoys. I think it's time. I wouldn't be surprised if we see new IP from them. I think new IP is very possible. We know that they want to release the backpack. In the meme that Will posted, you saw that Mickey Mouse was throwing his clothes into a backpack. So they've been talking pretty excessively about how the backpack's going to have new functionality. So it could be maybe that with the backpack functionality, now there's accessories, and now you can actually buy, add to cart for your backpack, different accessories, and no longer just the character itself. I mean, it could be a lot of things. I'd be curious to know what you guys think about all this alpha that's being dropped. Do you think that we're about to see some new IP from Cryptoys? Are we going to see a new drop really, really soon? Do you think they're maybe going to wait a little bit longer? Do you think that the add to cart is just kind of maybe not a big deal and something small, just kind of, some misdirection here? Or do you think that it's going to be just an add to cart button on the Cryptoys website? Or do you think you agree with me? Maybe it's going to be Barbie. I don't know. What do you guys think? And also, what do you think about the Mattel, right? We know right now Will is at the Mattel headquarters. And he says the first stop. What other stop? Where else could he be going if he's not? If the Mattel is his first stop, where is his second stop? And knowing that they're going to have a big week this week, we're not even halfway yet. I'm expecting some very, very big things this week, and I cannot wait. I love to speculate on it, and hopefully I'm right this time. I said last time I speculated, I said we're going to get leaderboards and we're going to get incentives. And we got incentives. We didn't get leaderboards. Now I'm speculating Barbie and backpack. Okay, Barbie and backpack, and throw Mickey Mouse in while you're at it, and hopefully one of those things sticks. So guys, if you haven't already, don't forget, become a superstar, smash the subscribe button, join the Superstar fam, hit the bell notification when you get every single video every single day. We come every day. We do not stop. Also, Superstar VIP, $2.99 a month to get a startup center name, access to our spreadsheets and giveaways. Always feel free if you're interested in any Cryptoys. Link below. You can use our affiliate link, and you can buy Cryptoys if you're interested. We appreciate you. We appreciate all your support. Thank you all so much. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.